Welcome to Crypto Jargon. In this episode, I will break down the following terms: mining, minting and forging, mining reward, forging reward, full node, light node, masternode, and algorithm, all in relation to cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, of course. Now, let's first explain what an algorithm is, since it is part of the mining process. An algorithm is a mathematical problem-solving method. It is a sequence of unambiguous instructions used for the purpose of solving a problem. The problems solved by algorithms are normally related to processing or calculations. In mining, for instance, it is the process by which a block is being created. So, how does the mining work? In simple terms, mining is the process by which transactions are verified and added to a blockchain. Each block on that blockchain is technically a file with digital data, most commonly the latest transactions of a cryptocurrency. The process of mining is done by solving cryptographic algorithms using computing hardware, which also triggers the release of new coins. These are the rewards that miners collect for their work, and in some cases would also include a percentage of the transaction fees from the transactions that they added to that block. Mining is often done with the help of computers specifically built for mining cryptocurrencies, known as mining rigs. They often consist of multiple high-end graphic processors, GPUs, to maximize their processing power. Mining is typically referred to proof-of-work type blockchains, due to the work required by the miners in order to receive their rewards, aka the new coins. Proof of work and other types of digital proofs are explained in another episode of the Crypto Jargon series, so you will see a pop-up here on YouTube, or if you're watching this on another platform, just check out the description where I will drop the link. Now, aside from proof of work, another very popular type of creating new coins is proof of stake. And with proof of stake, minting or forging are the terms that are being used for the process by which users are creating new blocks and verifying transactions and receive new coins for their participation. So the creation of new blocks comes with a reward. In this case, it's called a forging reward, and the new coins that are produced are being minted rather than mined. Therefore, the process is known as minting in the proof of stake type of blockchains. Now, what is a node? A node is a computer that runs a software with a copy of the history of a specific blockchain. It can be a full node, meaning that has a copy of the entire history and can verify transactions and observe all the different rules for a specific blockchain, or it can also be a light node, meaning that it only has partial information and relies on a full node to extract and sync to the most current data on that blockchain. For instance, many web wallets or mobile wallets are light nodes, since they need to be able to operate faster, and they sync to a full node when they need to update the user's information or execute transactions. A masternode, on the other hand, is similar to a full node but also performs a number of additional functions. These functions can include to clear instant transactions, to increase secrecy or privacy of transactions, to take part in governance and voting on proposals for improvements and upgrades, and to enable even budget systems. In order to be considered a masternode, you usually need to own a certain amount of coins of that cryptocurrency and run a full node connected to the web permanently, so that you can actively execute the tasks required by the network. The concept of masternodes was first developed by the creators of Dash, a privacy-oriented cryptocurrency, as a form of governance, and since then it has become a growing trend for incentivizing people to hold or stake their coins for prolonged periods. In return, they are being rewarded with dividends. And this concludes today's episode of Crypto Jargon. I hope you liked it, and if it helped you, share it with someone else who might also benefit from watching it. Also, give me a like and leave a comment below so that I can get your feedback. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm gonna see you in the next episode. Enjoying this content? Go check out Crypto Jargon, the ebook, out now on Kindle. It's an Amazon bestseller and it's the most up-to-date crypto dictionary with more than 700 terms, acronyms and trading slang related to cryptocurrencies and blockchain tech. Just go to ojjordan.com/cryptojargon and grab your digital copy today.